Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Today, I want to share an amazing breakfast, and it's amazing for everyone. It's delicious and it's off the charts healthy. But what really makes it very unique is that it's featuring 7 different foods that have specifically been proven in human clinical trials to lower blood pressure. I mean, there's so many people now that have high blood pressure, and I thought, this is something people need to know. I mean, I would absolutely be having this breakfast most every single day if I was struggling with my blood pressure. Okay, so the ingredients are steel cut oats, and I just use the instant variety of steel cut oats. They're delicious. We have plain yogurt. We have, this is flax seeds, ground flax seeds mixed with some chia seeds, right? It also has a little bit of hemp in there, but hemp was not necessarily in the clinical trials, right? Walnuts, probably the healthiest of all nut, and dark chocolate. Believe it or not, yes, dark chocolate is a food that has been shown to lower blood pressure. And we're going to blame my husband on this. He knew I was coming out here to film. He promised me we had frozen blueberries, which is what this specific recipe really calls for lowering blood pressure, but they're not here. I'm going to substitute cherries. It's likely that cherries will have the same impact because it's the anthocyanin pigments that are in the blueberries. There are lots of them also in cherries. But I just want you to know, if you want to just go by the book and what the human clinical trials have shown, it's blueberries that have been specifically shown to lower blood pressure. As far as I'm aware of, not aware of cherries, trial with cherries. Okay, so you're just going to mix this all up together, and the dark chocolate will melt nice and easily in the hot oatmeal. And because I'm making this and it's lunchtime, I'm going to actually have this. I'm very much looking forward to it as my lunch. And you know what? Who cares? You can have it for any meal you want. So some yogurt in there, maybe a little more. And put the dark chocolate, slip it in there so it melts. And this is Ghirardelli. It's either 72 or 86%, probably 86. And it's starting to melt, you can see that. And then I'm going to add my walnuts. That's about a handful of walnuts. And I'm going to just sprinkle the flax and the chia. Looks so good. And I'm going to take a little bit of those cherries and thaw them. I haven't done that yet. And add that on top. I'm going to add a little bit of honey. A little bit of honey there. Cherries on top sound to me even better than blueberries on top. And ta-da!
And normally you would heat the
blueberries. And normally I would thaw the blueberries. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next week. And if you know someone with high blood pressure, this is a great little video to share with them too.